In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Depop. Selling online can sometimes lead to situations where refunds are necessary. This could be due to various reasons, such as items being out of stock, a buyer changing their mind, or encountering shipping issues. Fortunately, if you're selling on Depop, the platform offers a straightforward way for sellers to handle refunds directly through the app. To begin with, it's important to understand that only sellers can issue refunds on Depop. If you're a buyer seeking a refund, you must first reach out to the seller. As a seller, you'll process the refund using the sales dashboard once you've communicated with the buyer. So, let's walk you through the process of refunding an order on Depop. First, you need to navigate to your sold items. Launch the Depop app and tap on your profile. From there, proceed to the selling hub and then to all sold items. This is where you'll find the order you want to refund. Once you've located the specific order, the next step is to refund the transaction. Now, within the order details, you'll need to choose the Refund Transaction option. This part is crucial as you'll also select the reason for the refund. Depop gives you a few options, whether it's due to the item being out of stock, a request from the buyer, or an issue with shipping. Choose the one that best fits your situation. After you've selected the refund option and provided the corresponding reason, you must confirm the refund. At this stage, the process becomes automatic. Depop processes refunds through PayPal where payments are managed. Once you've confirmed the transaction, the buyer should receive their refunded amount in a few business days. While Depop provides a simple method to handle refunds, there are some important notes to keep in mind. First, refunds are generally possible only if the item hasn't been shipped yet or if there's a prior agreement with the buyer. If your item has been dispatched, it could complicate things and necessitate a return. Additionally, remember that frequent cancellations and refunds might affect your reputation as a seller on the platform. To wrap up, refunding on Depop is both quick and straightforward for sellers. The process involves going to your sold items, selecting the relevant order, and completing the refund through PayPal. Buyers, it's always a good idea to communicate with the seller directly first. If further assistance is necessary, you have the option to escalate the matter through Depop support to ensure you're protected. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating refunds on Depop.